Hey everybody, it's Andy. After I put out my review of the Evergoods CHZ26 bag, I had a few people asking me how the main compartment fits compared to the Goruck GR1 26-liter bag. So what I'm going to do in this video is fill them both with packing cubes to give you a sense for what you're able to fit in each of them. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash that like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Without further ado, let's see what we can fit in these. The Goruck GR1 is a 26-liter bag measuring in height 20 inches, 12 inches width, and a 6.75 inches depth, according to the manufacturer. The CHZ26, on the other hand, has less of a square shape, so you don't get all of those consistent dimensions, but they do advertise a height of 19 inches, a width of 12 inches, and a depth at its peak of 9 inches. So, over here, I have a bunch of packing cubes. This is a Tom Bin packing cube shoulder bag that's pretty full. A Peak Design packing cube in the small size that's also pretty full. An Eagle Creek medium-sized packing cube. And a Tom Bin Aeronaut 30 packing cube that could be packed a bit fuller, but this is what I had on hand. So I'm going to begin by packing up the Goruck. Opening up the main compartment, it's very easy to pack this up. I'm just going to stick this at the bottom. I can fit this above it. And over there you see we've sort of filled up the base of this. But because this bag has kind of tallness on the side and it's really sturdy, I'm going to just try sticking the Eagle Creek bag this way with the width going a long way and this packing cube shoulder bag on top. And I'm going to try zipping this up. We'll see what happens. What I really like is that with these big number 10 YKK zippers, I'm not worried about damaging the bag as I really try and zip this shut. It definitely feels like, it's fine with my zipping it. And I can fit all of these packing cubes in with the bag zipped. Now, for the sake of water bottle introduction, I have here a 20-ounce Camelback chute. I'm going to see if I can just throw that in and still get this to zip. I'm going to put that down here because these top bags are packed more full. And I'm going to try again. Got that side. Got that side. And around the top. Alright, so we were able to fit all of the packing cubes and the water bottle in the Goruck GR1 26-liter. Now let's see how these fit in the Evergoods bag. Moving the Goruck to the side. So this is a half-zipped bag, which means that we don't get that full clamshell opening. So we're going to have to choose what to stuff in there at the bottom. I'm going to start actually with this because this is probably the widest of the packing cube at the fullness that was packed. And I know that I can get that on the bottom. Above that, let's try fitting in the Eagle Creek. Now you can see just by the look of this that at the top the bag wants to taper in. So having something this wide here may or may not fare well when we go to zip it. Continuing to pack it, I'm going to... You see the height problem. I'm wondering if I can fit this in despite having everything else pulling it wide. I'm able to get that up, but there's just not enough room for this as well. So maybe I can try stuffing this in deep. Yeah, where the Goruck was more of a rectangular prism, this bag definitely gets more of that roundness here. So it's hard to fit something nice and big like this in very deeply. So I'm just going to put this here. Obviously, there's still room to fit something above, but I'm going to zip this up. And that has it. And also, just with the base done, I want to show you, the water bottle fits in, but it is tight. the water bottle would like to be able to push into the interior of the bag more, but because that's so full, it's having trouble. All right, so still with the same things we had in earlier, I just want to try showing what else we can get in here without, overfilling the bag. So we still have room. I have this nice sweater that my dad probably wore 20 years ago. Gonna stuff that in. And that leaves a little bit of room, so I'm gonna stick this beanie hat and these gloves. Now, if I wanted to make use of some of these other compartments, like the one with the duckbill here, I could probably get a bit more volume out. But really, I'm just trying to compare the main compartment of the bag. So over here, we got that half zipping. This is pretty full. All right, so there you have it. Water bottle still fits. And there we go. So the Goruck GR1 26 liter obviously was able to fit more in the main compartment than the CHZ26, mainly due to its shape. The large bucket in the pretty square rectangle prism shape is able to fit things easier than the half zip stuff it down when you're dealing with things like boxy packing cubes. Still, we were able to fit in the additional bulk of the sweater and the gloves, which, while maybe not as heavy or big as this packing cube, still shows that it can fit quite a bit. So, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this, please smash the like button, leave a comment below with what you would try to fit into these bags, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you very much, and have a good day.